Now, after much outrage, the Kerala police have finally taken action. 8 days after the murder of the pregnant elephant, the police at Mannarkad forest have now taken one person into custody for questioning. This after the pregnant elephant died standing in water last Wednesday after she ate a pineapple laden with explosives. Officials say that there seems to be no evidence to support the claim that somebody had deliberately given a cracker laden with pineapple to the elephant, but the investigation currently is underway. Pineapple with country-made crackers, an illegal practice there, are usually used by locals to protect their fields against wild boars. In fact, Environment Minister has now promised to take stern action against the perpetrators. Former Union Minister and animal rights activist Maneka Gandhi and Union Minister Smriti Irani as well sought action against top officials and answer from Rahul Gandhi as well, since he is a Congress MP from Kerala.
We have interrogated some people. Some of them are credible suspects. So we are going ahead. Nobody has seen any such pineapple laden with cracker and given by a particular person. So department is not going by that theory. The department is keeping the option open. It may be one of the possibility. But right now, evidence is not there for such a pineapple and such a cracker.
Okay.
So, as you told that it accidentally it might have consumed that jaggery-laden cracker, which is meant for wild boar. So, it may have accidentally taken that and injured itself.
On 24th, the animal was again in that position. Sometimes it was lying down, and one time it was coming up again. But this whole time, 24 hours, there was no, feeding. Like it was trying to look for water here and there. Only that. Then I think on 24th, we got information that the elephant had come down and it came into this stream. They'll do a post-mortem and check what may be the reason, and after that it will be disposed, preferably by burning.
Killing of an elephant in Kerala is shocking. If somebody gives firecrackers in pineapple and they get burst in the mouth, and therefore if elephant dies, this is very cruel and this is not Indian culture. Therefore, we have taken this killing in Kerala very seriously. But this kind of killing is absolutely unacceptable, and we have already deputed our senior officers there, and we will nab the culprits and punish them.
आखिर वो अगर बम रख सकता था अनानास में, तो इसका मतलब प्रोफेशनल बम था। वो प्रोफेशनल बम आप और मैं बैठ करके अपने घर में तो नहीं बना सकते ना, ये तो हम खुद मर जाएंगे। तो इसका मतलब है कहीं मल्लापुरम में 2-3 जगह होंगे जहां कोई बैठ करके कमरे के अंदर बम बना रहे हैं। आज हाथी पर इस्तेमाल किया, आखिर हाथी ने खुद ब खुद तो लिया नहीं, उसको मुंह में घुसेड़ दिया गया ना। तो आज वो बम मारेंगे हाथी पर, कल इंसान पर।
राहुल गांधी भी वहां से सांसद हैं, किसी भी तरीके से बयान अभी तक नहीं आया ऐसी घटना को लेकर के उनकी तरफ से।
अब क्या करें, उसको कुछ समझ तो आता नहीं किसी भी चीज़ में। मैं कहती हूँ अगर ये नहीं कि उनकी गलती है कि सुल्तानपुर में, पीलीभीत में जब जानवर मरता है तो हमने तो किया नहीं, लेकिन फ़ौरन ही हम उस पर उपाय ढूंढते फ़ौरन। और ये जानवर मेरा तो नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा ही है, ये मेरी बहन है, ये मेरी बेटी है जो मरी है। और अगर वो सोच समझ करके बोले कभी कभार तो अच्छा होगा।
For the kind of crime that was undertaken against an innocent animal. Ours is a country that has forever ensured that we protect and we preserve the rights of our nature, of our trees, the animal species. For me to see such a crime, I think I'm at a loss for words. And the fact that there are many who say that this has been a trend there, in fact, infuriates me that such things have happened before. And nobody in the local administration, or for that matter the state, has considered providing a solution. so that innocent animals do not fall prey to such heinous crimes. Rahul Gandhi, when he was the MP from Amethi, never cared for human beings. Do you think that I would have even an iota of expectation from him to care for animals in his new constituency? I have none. But I know from the past experience that now that the entire nation stands in solidarity, is infuriated at what has transpired in the constituency of Wayanad, I'm sure that he will make commiserations or do a tweet or send a message to the Congress party. He reacts only when the nation comes together in fury or in anger. And I'm sure that soon there will be a statement following from Mr. Gandhi.
There are pregnant langurs being killed. There are pregnant nilgai that are being killed. There are pregnant all other species. It's really this is a reminder of the cruelty we do every single day to every single species on earth. Please let us change. Please, this is a moment. This is the time to reflect. If you are horrified by this one incident in Kerala, please consider all the animals you use and abuse and kill every single day.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.